Alright, y'all, what we have here is a furnace. It's not cutting on. You know, sorry I ain't got my light in here, so I'm using my phone as the light. I'll let y'all hear what it's doing. I already found the problem, but I'm about to fix it. Let y'all hear it cut on. Put some light on it. Y'all hear it? Alright, so you know it's not working, obviously. So I'm gonna get it up and running, man, and y'all I'll come back to it. Bye. Alright, y'all, we back. This was the culprit, the gas valve. We're gonna fix that, man, get it back in place. What actually happened, it was installed upside down, man. That's a big safety hazard, man. You know, it'll show you up here which way it should go, and you know, you got to be careful with that. That's a big hazard on the house. But I'm going to fix that for him. It should be okay. And then the game after that. So, we'll see. I guess this is all the light I can get. But, alright, y'all. We back up here with the gas valve. I got it fixed. I got it placed right, as you can see. That's it right there. Now, I'm about to show y'all this thing working like it's supposed to. Boom. Alright. Okay. Oh, there we go. And we got a working furnace, y'all. Payne in there, I did that. You know what I'm saying? I do this. That's it. Cut it off now. Button this thing up, and that's a wrap for this one, man. Payne in there.